Prepare to be transported back in time to the birth of sheer mechanical madness, the inception of the very first insane truck engine. Consider a world in which the roar of truck engines was more than just a sound, but a game-changing revolution. We're going back in time to where the trucking industry took its first exhilarating steps, propelled by a need for power and performance like never before. This is not just an ordinary engine. It is the forerunner, trendsetter, and game-changer that laid the groundwork for the powerhouse trucks we see today. Buckle up as we tell the story of the first insane truck engine, a journey that redefined the very essence of trucking and laid the groundwork for a legacy of raw, unbridled power on the open road. Prepare to see the birth of a legend. The early 20th century, when the rumble of truck engines was just starting to echo through the changing landscapes. The Hall Scott, a 7 engine, which debuted in 1918, became a trailblazer, a testament to innovation that extended from high-quality automobiles to formidable truck engines. With 6 cylinders and up to 240 horsepower, it became the driving force behind automobiles, buses, and military vehicles. Hall Scott, a name inscribed in the sands of time, shifted its focus to creating engines that were not only powerful, but also dependable. The birth of this mechanical marvel paralleled the birth pangs of the burgeoning trucking industry, laying the groundwork for a long-distance transportation revolution. Hall Scott saw an opportunity to transform the trucking industry by building a powerhouse capable of meeting the demands of heavy-duty endeavors. With 7 engines and 240 horsepower, the 7 quickly became a symbol of efficiency and durability. This engine left its imprint on history, powering everything from cars to buses to military vehicles. The 7's hum echoing through the decades, propelling trucks through rough terrain and over long distances. It wasn't just an engine, it was a game-changer, allowing vehicles to carry heavier loads over longer distances, ultimately shaping the trucking industry's landscape. The 7's fame lasted until the 1950s, demonstrating its enduring impact. So, cheers to the Hall Scott 7, trailblazer, powerhouse, and cornerstone of trucking history. Its inline-6 design, one-of-a-kind overhead aircraft, and meticulous construction turned it into a powerhouse, burning fuel more efficiently and producing an impressive 240 horsepower. This marvel was more than a machine. It was a dedication to longevity and performance, with cast iron components and a chrome nickel steel shaft that stood the test of time. The 7 wasn't just a powerhouse, it was a game-changer, ushering in a new era of performance for heavy-duty vehicles, race cars, and even military equipment. Its sturdy design, ease of maintenance, and exceptional durability cemented its place in transportation history. The Hall Scott, a 7 engine, stood as a testament to innovation and resilience, whether roaring down racetracks or powering buses for long-distance travel. Its legacy can be heard in the roar of modern truck engines, which push the limits of power, fuel efficiency, and reliability. The 7 engine was more than just a mechanical marvel. It became a legend, powering not only trucks, but also military tanks and planes, embodying American strength and innovation. Today, as the hum of modern truck engines resonates with advances such as turbocharging, direct injection, and variable valve timing, we salute the roots, the 7 engine, that fueled the journey to the extraordinary. As we conclude this thrilling journey through trucking history, consider the legacy of the first insane truck engine ever built, the Hall Scott 7. It wasn't just an engine, it was a revolutionary force that reshaped the trucking industry's very fabric. This powerhouse ignited the spark that fueled the growth of long-distance transportation since its inception in 1918. Its tough design, innovative features, and unyielding endurance became the template for future generations of truck engines. While modern marvels continue to push the envelope, the 7 remains an icon, a testament to the relentless pursuit of engineering excellence. Let the echoes of the 7's roaring legacy serve as a reminder that innovation knows no bounds, and the road ahead is brimming with possibilities. Keep the wheels turning, the engines roaring, and the spirit of innovation alive as we wrap up this adventure.